Saturday, December 21st, 2024. Saint Peter Canisius. Focus. Blessed is she who believed that there would be a fulfillment of what was spoken to her. At a retreat, Jane received a message through her counselor that the Lord was going to heal her. She believed but did not feel any improvement. Yet she continued to trust steadfastly, and she was healed a little later. She experienced a fulfillment of what was spoken to her. The Lord is constantly fulfilling His promises in big ways and small. Sometimes we do not see the outcome immediately. Sometimes we realize years later that because the favor was not granted, far greater good came into our lives. The operative word is believe. Trust in God's plan. What we chose to believe God's promises, no matter what the present circumstances, we prepare the ground for miracles to happen. Zephaniah proclaimed, "The Lord your God is in your midst, a mighty one who will save." That is what Elizabeth believed, and the baby leaped in her womb. Mary believed, and the Word became flesh in her. Once we believe, there is no limit in God. He can do the impossible in our lives. No doubt it is easier said than done. But when we at least make the effort to believe, God gives us the grace we need. Fruit. Christmas was made possible by the firm belief of Mary in God's Word. Let us renew our faith in God's promises.